If I woke up without you, I don't know what I would do. I thought I could be single forever till I met you. Usually don't be falling for first. You got a way of keeping me coming back to back. I just found out the only reason that you're loving me was to get back at your ex-lover. But before you leave, usually I would never even care. Baby, I know she creeping, I feel it